Why do you do this? Why do you do this?
911 Carrera S in for the County Motor Immobiliser. We're still doing the free promotion on the Bluetooth tag, leather case and Faraday bag. In the pack you'll get an emergency override, you get the QR code there to the App Store if you want to download the app for your phone, our contact details. So let's show you how it all works. So this one has got gearbox lock. So as we start the vehicle, we're unable to select gear. So if you try and select gear, you get nothing at all until we enter a code. So if I enter the customer's demo code, something's very simple. Flash of the hazards, and then off we can drive. Switch the vehicle off. This one rearms as we exit the vehicle. So as we open the door, we'll get a flash, and it's back rearmed. So if we try and start again, try and drive off, we're fully secured.
That thing, miss, and I better shake that thing, yeah, donna.